Hi, it's Jen from Shabby Fabrics, and I have a special invitation for you today. Something you're going to want to be a part of. I can't wait to tell you the details of this. Very exciting. We just found out about this. If you have heard the name Beverly McCullough, that's because she's a very talented designer for Riley Blake. Really cute fabric collections, but she's also designed a lot of the needle minders that are on our website. Here are just a few of them. It has a magnetic component where there's a magnet on the back. Whether you're doing embroidery or cross stitch, you kind of clamp that onto your project. And it's a great way to keep track of that needle so you don't lose them like we've all done many times. Well, I recently was invited to be one of the shops offering something amazing that Beverly has put together for us. And this is called the Needle Minder of the Month Club. Look at this adorable box. This is so cute. What she has put together is each month for 12 months, starting in July of 2025, you'll receive a shipment each month. Inside that box, we will receive, and I'm going to be participating right along with you. I don't know what's coming in the box each month. An exclusive needle minder designed by Beverly for us, along with an embroidery pattern, as well as a cross-stitch chart and embroidery floss. And we will choose as makers whether we want to do embroidery or cross-stitch. So if cross-stitch is your love language, maybe you want to do 12 months of that, or maybe a mix of that. Then at the end of the 12 months, especially if you've chosen the hand embroidery, she will put out a pattern that's kind of a finishing pattern so that you can put all of your designs together in a particular layout if you should choose to do so. The amazing thing is the price of this program is actually, I had to read it twice to think if this could be true. This club is only $19.99 a month plus some freight. And I think that's incredible to know we're going to get a needle minder, a embroidery pattern, and a cross stitch chart, and we get to choose. Plus our embroidery floss is incredible. So we have very limited space in this program because she wanted other shops to be able to participate as well. And of course, once she reaches that capacity, then she has to shut that off. She's one woman, but she is a force to be reckoned with, and she is the nicest lady. So if you have been wanting to get into a club where you don't have to bring out your sewing machine, this is all handwork. What an amazing opportunity this is. And I also don't know each month what we're going to be receiving. Now, if it's been a while since you've done hand embroidery, we also have a guide here that will step you through that. I don't know how simple or complex these designs are, again, having not seen anything, but knowing that everything Bev does is absolutely adorable. I cannot wait to see the designs and stitch right along with you. I will also in the coming weeks be doing a cross stitch tutorial. So if you've never done that, or maybe it's been a while, I'm going to talk you through the basics of cross stitch. It is so fun and so easy. So if you've never done this, you can be successful right away. Super fun. These are the things I think that we're going to need for this program if you're going to be doing hand embroidery. I like to use a light box with a friction pen and trace the design before I do any stitching. If you're going to be doing cross stitch, this is where Aida cloth, that's a term, a type of cloth that has a grid in it. And a 14 count is a really nice size. It's very beginner friendly. And we have some options on our website for that. Also, embroidery hoops are great for either hand embroidery or cross stitch. And of course, other things like scissors, needles, of course, a needle threader if you need any help with that, or if you have any issues with the embroidery floss, which is what this is, embroidery floss here. This is just representing some of the things that we might be seeing in our kit, of course, not knowing what those colors might be. I am super excited about this program. I actually love doing both hand embroidery and cross stitch, especially when I'm traveling. I can't get to my sewing machine, but I want to keep my hands busy. So we think this one is going to sell out so quick. And thank you, Bev, for allowing us to see what we can expect in our beautiful box each month, or at least what the box will look like. And we cannot wait to see what you put inside of there for each of us to enjoy month over month for an amazing 12 months. So head to the website. I've already grabbed my spot in this program. You want to get your spot in this program as well. Grab any notions you think you might need and subscribe. That is how you learn about amazing programs like this and so much more.